Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a Windows environment to run the media creation tool, so start by provisioning one inside Linux. Install VirtualBox or set up QEMU/KVM and enable USB pass-through so your USB drive is accessible. Once done, obtain a basic Windows installation ISO or a pre-built VM image and create a new VM with at least 8 GB disk and 4 GB RAM. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS so the VM runs smoothly. This avoids hacks and preserves compatibility when you launch the tool. Inside the Windows VM, launch Windows Update so the environment is stable, then download the media creation tool from Microsoft's site. You will run the tool exactly as on a native PC. Accept the license, choose Create Installation Media, and select USB flash drive. Before clicking Next, attach your physical USB to the VM using the hypervisor's USB pass-through menu so Windows detects it. This direct approach ensures the tool writes boot records correctly. If needed, format the USB to FAT32 or NTFS from disk management first. Once the media creation tool finishes, use Windows safely remove hardware to eject the USB, then detach it from the VM and unmount in Linux. This prevents file system corruption. If the USB did not appear in the VM, recheck USB pass-through settings and install guest editions or Vertio drivers so device forwarding works reliably. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify the resulting media by booting it in the VM or checking ISO checksums. If creation fails, rerun the tool or use Rufus inside the same VM for alternate writing modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.